So guys, this is the test period. So this is the moment where we have to test our connection. As you can see, this is the ROC card down here. As you can see, this is the control, and this is the ROC card. So right now, I powered off the control. I'm just going to turn it on. So you see. So right now, sorry about the shaking nature of it, because I have to hold the camera with one hand. So right now, as you can see, here you go. As you can see that it's in the spinning mode. So you know the joystick is being controlled by me right now. Here you go again. Power is off again on the transmitter. So right now